Hi, everybody. Happy Saturday. So, if you're joining me live, please say a little hello in the comments. I just this morning, I just taught a class. I'm an instructor for the Monmouth County Parks Department, and I taught a class this morning all about using essential oils for health and wellness during winter time. And I thought I would come on. Hey, Carrie, good morning, good afternoon. If you're joining me live, say a little hello in the comments. Come on in, don't be shy. Say hello, let me know where you're joining me from. And if you're watching the replay, you can do the same. Just type replay in the comments. Let me know that you've been here. Don't be a stranger, say hello. So I taught a really wonderful class this morning, and I figured, while I'm, all prime, while the pump is prime, that I would come on and share some of this information with you. I'm going to do a very condensed version of it, but there are 4 essential oils that I featured in the class today. I feel like these are oils that everybody should have on hand. This time of year, I'm going to tell you what they are. I'm going to tell you some of the ways that I use them, how they can benefit us, and then I'm going to actually demo how to make an immune boosting roll-on. So hi, welcome everybody. If you're joining live, say hello. So you know what I would love to know, can you, in the comments, can you let me know what some of your, what I call wintertime woes are? So I'll share with you in the class the things that we spoke about were immunity. Hey Jennifer, hey Michael, hey Brandon, thanks for hopping on. So we spoke about immunity, we spoke about wintertime blues, like that can be a big one for a lot of people. We spoke about respiratory support, and then I also touched a little bit on skincare, on wintertime skincare. So let me know, are any of those, are all of those issues for you? If you have other things that challenge you in the winter, I would love to know, because I'm happy to see if there probably are some some essential oil solutions for that, and I would love to support you in that way. So let's start with immune boosting. So there are 3 essential oils that are amazing for immune boosting, and what they are Thieves essential oil, we have lemon essential oil, and frankincense. So these 3 together are a real powerhouse. And you can, hey Jennifer, thanks for saying hello. If you're hopping on, please say hello in the comments. Let me know where you're joining me from. And if there's anything that you grapple with during wintertime, health and wellness issues, let me know. I'm happy to offer some support or some suggestions for you. So let's talk about, I'm going to make a roll-on. So one of the things that we made in the class today was an immune boosting roll-on, and it had these 3 essential oils. And if you've never made a roll-on, I'm going to show you how super easy it is. What I have here is a 5 ml rollerball bottle. You can get these on Amazon. I also want to say I have the handout that I shared in the class today. I have it as a Google Doc. So once I'm done with this little teaching live, I will post the link to the Google Doc, and you can go grab it. It has the recipes, it has some other resources for you, and I'm happy to share that with you guys. But roll-ons are super duper easy to make. Let me know, have you guys made a roll-on? If you've made a roll-on before, pop a 1 in the comments. So this recipe, where is the recipe? Okay, so super easy. We are gonna do 4 drops of each oil. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to put 4 drops. And this is a 5 ml, so this in total is having 9 drops of essential oil. That's pretty potent, but again, if we're looking at immune boosting, we want it to be packed with, we want it to be a powerhouse, right? Oh, my frankincense is almost gone. Okay, great. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna take some carrier oil, and what I have here today is just some fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated just means that it has been manufactured in a way where it will not turn solid in cold temperatures, which of course we don't want solid coconut oil in a roll-on because it's not going to roll, right? So as you can see, I'm literally just filling that up with the carrier oil. I'm going to pop a little rollerball top right on here, and that's it. There's your roll-on. Super easy. All right, so how we use this is you can, what I suggest is you can roll it on up and down your spine. You can roll it on the bottoms of your feet. And the other thing that I would recommend, and this is in the handout, I'm going to show you guys in a second. We have acupressure. Hold on, how can I do this? This is in the handout, so you would have it. But this is these are called VitaFlex points. They're also known as acupressure points or acupuncture points. They're the meridians of the body. And so on here, you'll see that there are lung points. They're kind of in the middle of the, where are they? They're right here, kind of hard to see. You'll see it on the handout. And so what you can do is you could apply any of these, so if you're dealing with respiratory support, you can apply any of these oils to specific points on the bottoms of the feet to harness the meridian system, the energetic meridian system of the body. So speaking of respiratory support, another oil that I featured in the class today is, this is a blend called Raven. It has Ravensara and eucalyptus and a lot of oils that are really wonderful for respiratory support. And what I did was we just took some coconut oil and we mixed it with 8 drops of Raven. We did 1 ounce of coconut oil to 8 drops of Raven, and we just put it in this little tub. You can make your own natural chest rub, completely non-toxic. And so what I recommend with this is you can rub it on the front of your chest and then also on the back, because I find most people, like, we just kind of forget that our lungs are in the back of our body as well, the back of our torso. So we really want to apply it to both. So that's, I'm doing this super quick. So that's immunity, that's respiratory support. And then when it comes to wintertime blues, some of my favorite essential oils for that are, get lemon, amazing. All the citrus oils are very emotionally uplifting. I like to call them sunshine in a bottle. You can pop them in the diffuser. You can smell them right from the bottle. Those are wonderful to have around this time of year, especially if your mood tends to dip with the decreased amount of sunlight that we get at this time of year. There's also a beautiful blend called Citrus Fresh, and that too, it's just basically a mix of a lot of different citrus oils. That would be wonderful to have by your side this time of year. And lavender, also, interestingly enough, lavender can be relaxing, but it can also be emotionally uplifting. So any of those are wonderful, as is frankincense. Frankincense is wonderful for mood. We also like to refer to it as the attitude adjustment oil, because you pop it in the diffuser and you can literally shift the energy in the room, in the house. A lot of people use it as like a covert operation. You can just pop it in there and just watch everything just really mellow out. So all of those, so again, lemon, Citrus Fresh, lavender, and frankincense, all really wonderful for uplifting our mood. Again, especially at this time of year when it can be just kind of dark and dreary and cold. Respiratory support, as I said before, Raven, amazing. You can make a chest rub. Peppermint essential oil is also fantastic for respiratory support. Hey Kara, hey Cindy, I say hello. Let me know where you're joining me from today. I'd love to hear where you're joining from. So peppermint, also amazing. In the diffuser, it supports the respiratory system. It will help open everything up, helps with just clearing things out, opening things up. And then lastly, I'm going to touch on skincare because a lot of people deal with dry skin in the winter time. And I posted a few days ago, I think it was this week, about dry brushing. Dry brushing has so many benefits for lymphatic, for movement, for immunity, but it also helps to exfoliate the skin. So dry brushing any season of the year is a really wonderful habit to adopt into your wellness routine. So I would recommend that off the bat. But the other two oils that are fantastic for skincare are lavender and frankincense. And you can take one or the other, or you could take both, and you can put some, you could just put some in some coconut oil and make a beautiful skin moisturizer for yourself, and use that once a day, and that will help with keeping your skin hydrated. It's also really helpful to drink a lot of water. Now, again, something we should do all year long, but typically most of us are inside with a lot of heat going on. It's very, very drying and dehydrating. And if we can make sure that we're keeping ourselves hydrated, that will also help our skin to be less dry. So super quick little overview of my class today. And Carrie, yes, I know I use it on my skin I use frankincense on my skin every day too, yes. So I'm going to post the link to the Google Doc you can have the handout. I forgot one thing I was gonna mention. For skin support, another thing that I love to do is, again, for exfoliation, is to make a sugar scrub. And for that, again, you could add some lavender to your sugar scrub. You could add some lemon. You could add frankincense. You really, so many of the oils are wonderful in sugar scrub. So I included my most favorite recipe. I have a secret ingredient, so you might want to pop over to the handout and see what it is. I have a secret ingredient in my particular sugar scrub recipe that obviously I'm going to share with you guys. So just wanted to make sure that everybody's informed and hooked up with resources. If you have any questions about any of this, or there's anything that I can do to support you, please let me know. I want to close just by saying that if you are not part of our amazing Young Living community, there is a fantastic sale going on this weekend until Monday on our starter kit. It's 10% off. All the oils I mentioned today in this live are in the kit. I'm happy to give you some more information about that if you're ready to hop on the oily train with us. So just let me know. And I hope everybody has a beautiful rest of the day and a very healthy, thriving winter to everyone. Take good care. Bye.